All right, here we are, third day of fall, 2018. Got Luis here. He's helping out. Yeah, he's doing a great job. He's doing this chicken. Look at that. He's doing a great job. We got chicken and tri-tip. Got beans in the Dutch oven. It's gonna be some good stuff. This is MIS only. We're making everyone here jealous today. And I hope to make more jealous. Anyway, this is going good. We're just about winding down. We're about 15 minutes away from pulling chicken, about 10 minutes away from pulling the tri-tip, letting him rest. Good stuff. Look at that. Drive by.
Drive by. Drive by.
This is Hawaiian Huli chicken along with Santa Maria tri-tip and southern baked beans. So this is, we're hitting 3 regions of the United States today. South Pacific, West Coast, the South. Texas. Over mixed hardwood. Got some of that down here. Got plenty. Yeah. Woo! Hope everyone's doing good. Be safe, everyone. Have a good week. Have a good work week. Happy Monday.